Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Zephaniah 1 verse 14. The great day of the Lord is near. It is near and hasteth greatly. Even the voice of the day of the Lord. The mighty man shall cry there bitterly. That is the message of the Lord for you today. That there will be a great noise in the whole earth soon. And you'll see it in your eyes. You'll see a lot of soldiers. It is so horrible that lots of people will be killed. Lots of people will die. There is no foods to eat. Because there is no work to do. Because there is a lot of turmoil. Turbulence is everywhere. Be watchful. Be prayerful. There is a war in every places. Where is my prayer warriors? You have to pray. For that day is unbearable. And I will say to you that your love to me will be cold because of that day. Because of your lack of faith. I want you to arise. I want you to hope in me. That's what the Lord has said. And you cannot drink a water every day. Because that day is a day of heatness. The brooks will be dry. The rivers are dry. The sea are dry. And you have to focus on me. You have to believe on me. You have to hope and trust in me. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.